Myself Archana, working as Assistant Professor, the Department of ECE at Dr. NGP Institute of Technology. The topic that we are going to discuss today is about addressing and addressing modes by the subject Computer Architecture and Organization. Okay, first we should know about what is addressing mode. Addressing mode is nothing but the different way that a processor can access data are referred to as addressing scheme or addressing modes. In computer architecture, the addressing modes are classified into 12 different types. First is your register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, displacement addressing mode, relative addressing mode, base register addressing mode, index addressing mode, auto increment addressing mode, auto decrement addressing mode, and final is the stack addressing mode. Let's discuss about the 12 types of addressing mode one by one. First comes your register addressing mode. So for register addressing mode, here is the simple example. Let's take the example move AX, BX. It means that the transmission of data takes place between two registers. AX is a 16-bit register, whereas your BS is a 16-bit register. So the data transmission occurs between two registers. That is why it called as register addressing mode. Second type is your direct addressing mode. For direct addressing mode, you have an example, add AX, value. Here the value indicates the direct value, which is 0504 something. The value is directly loaded into AX register. That is why this type is called as direct addressing mode. Third type is your immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode can be simply defined as hash symbol. Hash identifies immediate. So the value after hash defines immediate addressing mode. For example, LDA hash 5. Here the hash symbol indicates immediate. So the value 5 is directly loaded into an accumulator. That is why this is called as immediate addressing mode. Fourth type is the indirect addressing mode. Example for indirect addressing mode is add AX, A. It means that the value inside the accumulator is loaded into an AX register. So the transmission takes place in an indirect manner. That is why this is called as indirect addressing mode. Next is your register indirect addressing mode. Register indirect addressing mode. Example, we have move R0, A. It means that the value of A register get loaded into R0. R0 here indicates register. So the transmission takes place from memory to register. That is why it is called as register indirect addressing mode. Next type is your displacement addressing mode. Displacement addressing mode is nothing but the value and reference register is called as displacement addressing mode. Displacement addressing mode can be explained with the formula A equal to value plus R. So this is nothing but value, R is your reference register. The displacement addressing is again classified into three varieties. First is your relative addressing, second is your base addressing, and third is your index addressing. So first we'll discuss about relative addressing. Relative addressing can be defined as the reference register is program counter, and hence this addressing mode is also known as program counter. So we can say relative register also as a program counter relative addressing. This can be explained with the formula EA equal to A plus PC. A is your accumulator, P is your program counter. This is your relative addressing. Second type of displacement addressing is your base addressing. Base addressing can be defined with the formula EA equal to R plus displacement. R is your register and displacement is which we have seen in the displacement addressing mode. Next is your third type is your index addressing mode. Index addressing mode can be defined as EA equal to A plus R. A is your accumulator and R is your register. So these are the three types of addressing mode which comes under your displacement addressing mode. Next type of addressing mode is your auto increment. Auto increment is nothing but after accessing the operand, the content of this register are incremented to address the next location is called as auto increment, which we are very familiar in your C language. Example, move R0, R2 plus. So the plus symbol after the register indicates auto increment. Next type is your auto decrement. Auto decrement is the content of a register specified in the instruction are decremented and then they are used as an effective address to access a memory location is called as auto increment. So the simple example for auto decrement is move minus R0, R1. So the difference between auto increment and auto decrement is that in auto increment you have the symbol after the register and auto decrement you have the symbol before the register. So this is the major difference between your auto increment and auto decrement. The last type of addressing mode is your stack addressing. A stack is linear array of reserved memory location. If it is associated with a pointer, then it is called as a stack pointer. Example, add pop top, add pop push, anything comes under your stack register. So these are the 12 different types of addressing mode in your computer architecture. Thank you.